What is happening, boys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to everyone that's been subscribing to the channel, leaving a thumbs up and a comment. It genuinely means so much, so I really appreciate you all. Okay, now in today's video we got another unboxing. So in the last video I said we done box 1 out of 3. Now we got box 2 out of 3. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before I start, I just want to say we still got a few pairs of these left. We got these in a 7.5 UK, 8 and a 9.5, and then we've also got the navy / black in a 7.5 UK as well. So if you are interested in any of these, they're not on the website, just drop me a message on Instagram at ClobberIsland and we can hook you up. Okay, so we're going to start off with these garment dyed crinkle reps NY jersey jackets. These are part cotton. We've got the garment dyed crinkle reps part up there, and it kind of goes off and you've got half and half on the arms. Really nice, like autumn jackets. They're quite heavy feeling. They're made of polyamide and resin, which I think is really nice. They got the hoods as well. And yeah, these will definitely keep you warm during these colder months as we start to go into the last quarter of the year. These retail for around £800. They're in shops right now as they were bought out this season. We're doing them for about half price. So we've got that one available in 2XL. It comes up at a 27 pit to pit, so they come up quite big. And then we've also got this medium one, exactly the same. And I think this one's a 23 pit to pit, so it'll fit like a large. So if you are gonna buy one, just make sure that you check those pit to pit measurements, because Stoney comes up all different sizes. Up next, we got the trusty loom woven down puffer jacket. Absolute classic of a jacket if you're looking to keep warm this winter. And this one is in a 3XL and it's 27.5 pit to pit in this really nice navy blue color. Then we've got this Stone Island Supima. This is actually a Stone Island Supima cotton canvas non-aqueous dyeing technology jacket. Very nice. It's got the cotton feel to it, but it also feels a little bit thicker compared to a normal Supima cotton. So it's also got the elastic around the bottom, so it does kind of fit like a bomber style jacket. This is actually a size small, but its pit to pit is 22.5, so I think it will quite happily fit a medium as long as you're a bit more of a skinnier medium. It's more got that elastic at the bottom as well, so more of a bomber style jacket, but I think it's absolutely stunning. What a beautiful jacket, what a beautiful color. But yeah, I think that will fit a medium. That again is a new season, just released, out in shops right now. Obviously we're selling stuff at a fraction of the price of retail, so make sure you don't ever shop retail again. Up next, we got a run-proof nylon metal jacket. This is kind of like a padded jacket. It's got the nylon effect on it, so it's kind of shiny, but also got that sort of sophisticated, smart looking effect to it. I think it's a really nice style of jacket. These again were released this year. They're brand new in shops. 2025 model. It's got some nice detailing on the inside, and I think the inside of it also looks really nice. And this one's available in a large, and I believe it's 23 pit to pit, so it's nice size for a large. It's not going to be too tight for you. Up next, again, one of my favorites of the lot. This is a Stone Island soft shell with the Primer Loft insulation on the inside. It's a different one. This one has a collar. Remember last week the other one had a hood. They're both same size. They're both 2XL, and I believe they're both at 25.5 pit to pit, 26, something like that. And it's obviously got the ice blue collar. Really nice. Going to keep you warm during these winter months. Plus it's also water resistant, so it should keep you dry when it starts raining as well. So a massive bonus on that one. Up next, an absolute banger, a David TC Parker. This one is in a medium, 22 pit to pit. It's Primer Loft insulated, and this one's pre-loved, and it's absolutely mint. As far as pre-loved jackets goes, this is about as mint as they come. It's in like a really nice green color. I think the retail on these was like £1,000 when they first come out, but this one we're selling for about 350 in, I say, beautiful condition. If you're a small large, you'd fit it. If you're looking for a bigger medium, be absolutely fine. Depends how you like your fits. Just the absolute detailing on this is beautiful. I love the feel of it as well. The David TC material, very nice. Absolute staple piece of Stone Island. Then we've got this purple dust hoodie. This is in lovely condition, pre-loved, and it's a large, and I think it's 24 pit to pit, so it'll fit nice up for an extra large. As you can see, the badge, you know, same color as the jumper. Absolutely love dust pieces myself. Up next, we've got this nylon metal smock. This is in like a mustard yellow color. It's got the nylon metal effect there, the cotton effect there, and then nylon metal going down the arms as well. It's got the kangaroo pouch there and pockets there as well. You can tighten it up from the bottom. It's really nice. It's a large, and I think it's 23.5 pit to pit, and I do think it fits a large true to size. Some smocks come up very big. This one doesn't. It is a true to size smock. And this one is actually pre-certi, and it's in beautiful condition as well. Then we got another loom woven down, and this one's in a large, and I've also got another one in So we got one in large and we've also got one in XL, and they are in this stunning fiery orange color. For some reason they look like they're different colors. They're not the exact same color, but yeah, really, really nice if you're looking for a winter coat, as we're going to get into those really, really cold months. Then we got this beautiful loom woven, and this one's a large as well in purple, and I think they look really good over a hoodie. Like I say, as it gets really cold, the good thing about these is you can wear it just like over a t-shirt as it starts to get cold, and then in the actual winter you can wear a hoodie underneath and you ain't getting cold. You'll be absolutely fine. So it's got that very long-term use in it. You can use it for most months out of the year, unless it's really, really hot. Obviously you don't want it then, but yeah, I love a loom woven. Really nice jackets. Then up next we got a garment dyed crinkle reps. This one is a half zip or a smock, and then it has got a hood as well. It's down-filled inside, so it's going to keep you very, very warm. It's a lovely yellow color. I absolutely love yellow pieces. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer the dark colors or do you prefer the mad colors, like the orange, the purple, the yellow, or do you just stick to your blacks, navies and that? Let me know in the comments, tell me what you think. If you do like the darker colors, have you ever thought of branching out a little bit? What I think looks sick is if you wear like black cargos, black trainers, and then a mad color on top. I think that just looks so sick. And then we also got these really nice bucket hats in. These are in flannels right now. I think they're retailing for $145. They're on my website now for $115, I believe. So can't quite do half price on these. Some of the stuff I'm just not able to. I get it for more than half price. Some of the stuff, that's just the going rate of wholesale. I can kind of only go by the wholesale rates that we get it for, and then I will try my hardest to bring the prices down as much as I possibly can. We did also get this loom woven chambers in recently. I haven't bought it on the video, so I thought I'd show you. This is in basically perfect condition, other than the fact that it's got one very, very, very tiny black dot. I'll put it on the screen now so you can see one tiny black dot. Other than that, it's pretty much in perfect condition, and I believe it's on their website for £260, which is an absolute bargain. I think the color on that is beautiful. And that was the second box, guys. Just a short one from me today. When the third box comes, you guys will see it. If you did see anything you'd like at all, head over to ClobberIsland.co.uk. If you have any questions about any of the garments, drop me a message. My email address is on my website. If not, you can message me at ClobberIsland on Instagram. But yeah, appreciate you all watching. Make sure you hit like on the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace out.